All right, guys, we're back once again with the countdown to Math Star Series 6, Page 5. We're with Coach Ward one more again, and we're going to start off with number 1. So suppose that you made a mistake here. So where can we analyze the mistake and figure out what we went wrong? All right, so it says number 1, right? Triangles ABC and DEF are similar to each other. Which of these proportions demonstrates the slope AC is equal to the slope of DF? Okay, so here, let's break this down by some vocabulary words first. So the first thing that we want to make sure that we're looking at here is the word similar. Similar means I'm going to have two shapes that are similar, the same shape but different sizes. So I got two triangles here. Let's call this triangle number 1. And let's call this guy triangle number 2. All right. So then what we're going to do is it says we're going to break down this question. So as we go back to the question, it says that the slope AC is going to be equal to the slope of DF. So essentially what I'm looking for is rise over run on this guy should equal to the rise over run of this guy. All right. So now that I know that rise over run has to equal for both sides, all I'm going to do is calculate both of those for both of those triangles. So here I'm going to go rise. In this case, I'm going down. So that's -1. I'm going to go over 4. So my rise over run here is -1 over 4 equals. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the second step. So here, same difference here. -1 over 4. So -1 over 4. So both of them look like that they're going to be equal to each other. Now I have to figure out from the answer choices which one shows me that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that into the calculator, and I'm going to make the determination of how I'm going to do that. So alpha x, and I'm going to put both of these in. So 5 minus 4 over 1 minus 5. Enter. So we see that both of those are equal to a fourth. So let's try the other ones to make sure that those also do not equal a -4 as well. So 1 minus 5 over 5 minus 4. We see that that's -4, so we can eliminate immediately B and C. Now what we have to do is look at, well, which one of these works? Is it A or is it D? Now all I'm going to do is look at the other side, and I'm also going to put that into the calculator. So alpha x one more time. Then what I'm going to do is -3 minus 6, tab down, -7 minus 7, enter. So this one is 9 over 14. So we know that A does not work. So let's make sure that the answer choice D works just for our just to complete the process and to make sure we check our answer. So 7 minus 6 over -7 minus, open parentheses, -3, and close. And there we go. So we just proved it. And make sure that you're using these processes as we're looking at it. Make the calculator do the work for you. Think smarter, not harder. Now go back and retry that problem. See what you come up with. All right. Thank you, guys. And we'll join me for the next one.